Hi everybody, this is Urbansweetheart. Oh my God, okay. So I'm a little bit nervous. I have my partials in on the side and it's hard for me to talk. But I just went to the dentist yesterday and they told me I gotta start wearing them because my teeth are shifting. So if I sound kind of crazy, because what I'm hearing, it sounds funny, but with that being said, let's get started on this wig review. All right, today we have Nutique Illuze. Who is this? This is Illuze 13x4 lace flip up Loretta. And we have in the color Balayage Cool Blonde. Yes, yeah. Yeah, I see her. Yeah, I see her. I don't know how it's gonna look. I tried to slip these edges, little bit of edges I got. My son had me cracking up yesterday. He said, was it yesterday? It was this week sometime. He said, Mom, cut it off. Cut it off. You got bald patch here, one up here, and a little bit over here. He said, cut it off, Mom. So I was tempted. I was tempted just to go and cut it off. But I told myself, I promised that I was gonna try to keep it for 6 more months. 6. So maybe by the summer, if I don't see improvement, going back off. But I try to slick this down so I don't have the blonde showing through. So let's get started. I know y'all like, girl, if you don't start talking, we a minute, 47 seconds in. All right. Yep, 6:13. I don't know what they talking about, cool blonde. Just say what it is. Let us know what we about to do here. Not scared no more. Not scared. Only thing, it would have been nice if this had some dark roots. Dark root would have set this off. You hear me? Who is this? Nutique Illuze. I think it's a wig brand. Yeah, it's a wig. Dark rooting. We want dark rooting. You know who you making these wigs for. We want dark rooting. Believable dark rooting. Okay. This the cap. 2 combs off to the side, a little bit further back, I think, than normal. This looks like it's going to be a big cap. This is not adjustable. And we have a comb in the back and 2 combs. Now, you got to be careful. And also, you have these things holding the curls together. Got to be careful when you're trying to tint the lace for 613, because if you're not, you're going to make it look orangey at the roots. It has baby hairs. I'm not going to cut them, I don't think. I don't think I'm going to cut them. I'm trying to move them to the side. But, yeah, be careful when you're trying to tint it that you don't get too much inside the cap, because it could stain through on the hair. Then that does not look good. I almost think I just don't want to cut it. But I'm going to cut it and then I'll be right back. All right, everybody. So I put some of this stuff in there. I was going to use the mousse, but I was thinking it was going to be too messy. Which one do I have? The darkest brown. So this is how it's looking. I wanted to show y'all also. I don't see it now. What did I do with it? The lace was not like really terribly light. It was like a brownish color. So, like I said, they knew what they was making this for. Give us some dark rooting. I didn't cut the baby hairs off. And let's try it on. All right, I've been having trouble like getting my wigs on. Like my head just don't want to go on there since I got a little piece of hair. And no, the band didn't pop and break. I don't know why it made all that noise. these little flappy ear tabs. You're going to have to secure it down. You want a good fit. Even with this band on, it's not doing much. Big head friendly. Part to the side, yep. Lace comes down to the ear, yep. So if you secure this down, pull it, make sure it's beyond your hairline, cover up your color hair. And you should be all right. Yeah, I know I ain't gonna secure this down. All right, beautiful big curls. Let's look at it undisturbed, but you know this is not how you're gonna wear it. You're gonna comb through it or brush through it, your choice. I'm just trying to move these baby hairs back on my face because I'm not molding and shaping no baby hairs. I just want them out my face. I just kept them. So if somebody wanted to use them, you know you could. Or if you just wanted to push them out the way like me, you could too. So let's go around real fast. Here we go. That's as far as I'm going. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of hurting my leg. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. All right, I think I'm gonna comb through it. Yeah, comb through it. It's layered. Shoulder length. I'm using this just to knock them baby hairs down even more. You see how my tint darkened the root a little bit? So it makes it a little bit more believable. But that was not intent when I first put it on. Shedding a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna get a swoop, that's why I'm trying to do this. Very big head friendly in the back. Ooh. Trying to turn the light away so you kind of could see what it would look like in in-house lighting. Nice, big, beautiful curls. They hold it. Yep, they hold it. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I do got a good amount of shedding. So y'all can see it, but I can see it from where I'm sitting. It's here. Trust and believe it's here. Trying to get some volume. Why you want flat hair? All right, go around again so y'all can see. Giving you a look of the hairline close up. Let me see for you girls that like it in your face. Let me get it. I gotta go all the way back with this. Does that look like it's on the street? No, I think it's just flat. That's for you girls that want it in your face. That's what you're gonna get. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see if I can get y'all a complete 360. Hope y'all can see it. Oh, my shirt. Tag. No. Well, I like this one. I would wear it, even though it's not dark rooted, which I would prefer. As long as you secure this down, you'll be fine in most conditions. Secure this edge down. Yep, I like it. I don't know, maybe with black. I think maybe black would have been better. Or, what do you call it? A neutral, like beige, brown, stuff like that. I think the pink is a little bit dramatic. Yeah, maybe a little pink lip, but tone down your outfit, this be perfect, because this is the star, at least, you know, it should be anyway. You're going out with blonde, this is the star. Anyway, let's look at her again on the model. Boom. The color again is some kind of cool blonde, balayage, cool blonde. And yeah, you know what? I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna try to move that part. They said it. They said you got a nice part. Let's see if we try to move it. They said, don't mess this hair up, girl. So if you wanted it on the other side, look like you can get away with it. I feel like Jane Mansfield. Jane Mansfield. Big old curly hair. Nice. It was about this length too, wasn't it? I like it. Ooh, it's playful. Yep, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.